Okay, so I just made a list of the times that you cultivate the 5 key beliefs in the classroom, because I get asked this question a lot. When do I cultivate the 5 key beliefs in the classroom? When do I do this? Do I do this in like a unit at the start of the year? Or is it like kind of every Friday, Belief Friday? What do I do? Well, I'm gonna talk about that in this video. And hey there, by the way, how in the world are you doing? So here's the thing. The reality is that you're cultivating the 5 key beliefs all the time. Remember, what's our job? Our job is to promote the long-term flourishing of young people by helping them to master the thing that we're tasked with helping them to master. So maybe your 3rd grade reading, maybe your 5th grade mathematics, maybe your 9th grade world history, maybe your 10th grade physics. I don't know what you do, but whatever you do, you're trying to help students to master that. All of your students, every one of your students to master that. That's your objective. That's your contribution to their life. But you and I know, we're on the inside track on this, that you can't get someone to master anything if they don't care about it. So the 5 key beliefs is a methodology for understanding how to get students to actually care about the work of learning. Number one thing they need to understand in this video is that these beliefs are context dependent. And the classroom context is filled with like a bajillion factors. We have this much of an inkling understanding of what actually happens inside of a classroom, all the variables that play inside of a classroom. It's insane. Every relationship between every person is part of the context. Every lesson, every piece of history that a student has connected to that moment in your class is part of the context. Every interaction that you have with students is part of the context. Everything on your walls, everything they've done in previous classes like yours or with teachers like you, however they define that, that's part of the context. Well, geez, Dave, that's pretty overwhelming. What the heck am I supposed to do with that? What you're supposed to do is just all the time be doing these little things, sending these little signals that are belief supporting. So every time that you're having a conversation with a student, every time that you're having a moment of genuine connection, when you're introducing a lesson, outroing a lesson, responding to in-class events, like the class does really well on something or does really poorly on something. How are you doing that? What is on your walls? How are you scaffolding up to harder and harder assignments in your classroom? These are just a few of the things that influence the degree to which your students believe credibility, value, belonging, effort, and efficacy. You know what I'm saying? That's what we're talking about. So when do you cultivate the 5 key beliefs? All the time. Hey, if you like videos like this, do me a favor, subscribe, like, and comment. Tell me, what's your favorite thing that you do to cultivate the 5 key beliefs? Tell me that below. Until next time, take care of yourself.